Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use your own image in Leonardo AI. Add your image to AI and make an image with your face. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and search for Leonardo AI. Now click on the first link that pops up and you will be redirected to Leonardo AI's official website. Now for those of you who are new to the website and are not familiar with Leonardo AI's features, Leonardo AI is an artificial intelligence tool that uses deep learning techniques to generate images from text prompts. One of its prominent features is the ability for users to integrate their own face into the images it generates. This personalized aspect allows users to input their own facial features, making the generated images more customized and engaging. Now that I've given you a brief introduction of Leonardo AI and what you can do with it, let's get back to the tutorial. Next step is to create an account. Note that when you create an account in Leonardo AI, it is completely for free. No credit card needed. Click on the Create an Account button, and now you will be prompted to sign up or log in with your Apple, Google, or Microsoft account. If you don't have any of those, it's okay because you can create an account using your email and a password. For this demonstration, I will be using my Google account to sign up. The next step into setting up your account is by picking or making your own unique username. Click on anywhere in the screen after typing your username and let the platform validate whether that username is taken or available. Luckily, my username is available, and next we will choose at least one interest. Let's choose art. And here we can confirm whether you're over 18 and want to show unacceptable content by default, but for demonstration purposes, I will not do that. Click on Next and choose a role in which you're using this account for. Let's choose Enthusiast for exploring Leonardo AI for personal use. Click on Start using Leonardo. Here we can see a welcoming message with a few details, an overview of the platform including its different sections. You can read through that more specifically when you create your own account. But for now, let's click on Next until we're done. Now we are redirected to Leonardo AI's homepage where we can see the featured models. These are the different styles or models that we can generate the image to. There's Photoreal, Dream Shaper, 3D animation style, Anime Pastel Dream, RPG version 5, Absolute Reality, Deliberate, and more to choose from. Below the featured models section, we can see the recent creations, the trending ones, the new ones, and the top ones created by other users. We can see here amazing designs generated by other users using their own prompts. We can like the ones that we find beautiful and interesting. Just look at that. Recall that we signed up using our free account. This free account includes a daily quota of tokens. These tokens can be used for creative projects within the platform. Think of these tokens as the cost for the images we generate. The good thing is that this free offer does not come with an expiry date, so we can use our free account for as long as we like. Note also that the tokens reset in 10 hours, and it may take up to an hour to update the tokens. The paid subscriptions, however, come with extra benefits such as increased token allowance, faster image generation, and access to premium features. To find out more about their subscription plans, click the upgrade button at the top left of the page. Found in here, we can see that the subscriptions are paid yearly and that they have an ongoing offer that is up to 20% off. You can also buy subscriptions that we can pay monthly. We can see that we're using a free subscription. There's also an apprentice, an artisan, and a maestro. Each subscription has different details and benefits according to the price. Going back to the tutorial, let's go back to Leonardo AI's homepage And on the left side, we can see user tools. Under user tools, there is AI image generation. Click on that and we will be redirected to Leonardo AI's AI image generation tool. On the left section of the AI image generation page, we can see the number of tokens we have left, and as well as the settings and parameters of our desired generated image. Here we can set the number of images that we want to choose from. Since it's an AI image generator, we want to have multiple choices depending on the prompt and the input dimensions, the width and the height of the image, the aspect ratio of the image, the guidance scale, and the area or section where we will be able to upload or drag and drop the image we can use as input. In this case, the face or the picture of the face that we will be using. Now that we have successfully uploaded the file or the photo we will use as reference for the image that we will be generating, let's move on to adjusting the settings and parameters that we will find here on the left side of the screen. As you can see, I have used most of my tokens. It's down to 64 from 150 because I have generated a couple of images earlier on. So now I can only be able to generate one image. Notice that the prompt I used earlier for these images that I generated is villain eating sweets, and as you can see, they do look like villains and they are eating sweets, which is good. Also, the settings I used for these are the default settings using the 3D animation style model. Now for this prompt, I want to see Little Red Riding Hood during Halloween. Notice that the alchemy setting is on and that the images we generate will always be public because we are using a free account. We can only set those images to private if we upgrade or subscribe to a different plan. As for the dimensions, I want to use 1 by 1, so it is much easier for me to set the image that we will generate as profile photo or avatar if ever. Now for the initialized strength, it is by default 0.3, but let's test it out. Let's see the result if it is set to the maximum. I want to retain the 3D animation style with the dynamic and no negative prompt. Let's let the AI put as much elements as it can, and at the cost of 20 tokens, let's generate our image. Here you can see that it is loading and generating our image as well as the seconds that has passed while we wait. Since the cost of this prompt is 20 tokens, we can see that it has already reflected and our tokens are down to 44. So for now, 32 seconds have passed, and in less than 40 seconds, we have the result. Let's wait for it to load, and the generated image is not safe for work. However, let's click it to view. Let's expand the image. Here we can see that the image looks similar to that of the original photo. The color of the eyes, the brows, the hairstyle, the outfit, including the necklace and the earrings, are the same. However, the prompt did not reflect. So for this tutorial, that's it. Try creating a different prompt on your own and see if it will be the same. Because in our first try, the villain eating sweets, it really reflected the prompt. However, here in the second one, Little Red Riding Hood during Halloween, there wasn't any reference to Little Red Riding Hood. So know that this is AI generated and hence it is trial and error.